You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday after fears the US might start a war against Syria led to a fall in risk appetite, whilst data showing a slowdown in the housing market also weighed. The greenback ended the day 1.3391 to the euro and 97.02 to the yen. Today's data includes pending house sales, which are expected to rise by 7.9% year-on-year in July. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after data showed increasing economic optimism in Germany improved the economic outlook for the region. The IFO sentiment gauge showed a rise in all components, reaching a 16-month high and showing 3 consecutive months of gains. The euro finished the day at 1.3391 to the dollar and 129.92 to the yen. Today's data includes German consumer confidence, which is expected to rise by a basis point in September, as well as Eurozone money supply in July. British pound. The pound fell against most counterparts on Tuesday after investors cut on riskier assets after fears of an escalation in Syria tensions. Sterling was also weighed down by heightened expectations. Governor of the BOE, Mark Carney, might strike a dovish tone in the speech today. Sterling ended the day 1.5545 to the dollar and 0.8614 to the euro. The highlight of today's data includes the Carney speech and sales data from CBI, which is expected to rise to 20 from 17 in August. Japanese yen. The yen rose strongly on Tuesday after it adopted its former role as world financial safe haven, following a ratcheting up of tensions between Syria and the US. The yen ended the day 97.02 to the dollar and 150.80 to the pound. Tonight sees the release of a wealth of data, including figures for amounts spent on foreign stocks and bonds by Japanese investors, large retailer sales in July, which are expected to fall by negative 0.5%, and retail sales annualized, which are expected to show a 0.1% rise. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from an expert of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.333 with targets at 1.341 and 1.345. The downside penetration of 1.333, which will call for a slide towards 1.3295 and 1.327. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short position at 1.5535 with 1.5475 and 1.5415 inside. The upside breakout of 1.5555, which will open the way to 1.5605 and 1.5635. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 97.65 with targets at 96.95 and 96.5. The upside penetration of 97.65, which will call for a rebound towards 98.05 and 98.35. Good luck and happy trading! Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.